Have you ever wondered how your body uses energy, especially after a good workout? This process is known as energy expenditure, which essentially is the amount of energy, or calories, your body burns throughout the day. This burning of calories is influenced by various physical activities we partake in, with one concept being excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, often abbreviated to EPOC. This refers to the increase in energy expenditure during and after physical activity. However, it's crucial to note that studies have found no significant prolonged increase in metabolic rate unless fat mass decreases and fat-free mass increases. In other words, unless you're losing fat and gaining muscle, the increase in energy expenditure is predominantly during the activity itself. So the energy we burn isn't just about the calories we shed during a workout, but also about how our body composition changes over time. But how do we measure this energy expenditure? Let's delve into that. Energy expenditure is typically measured in calories. A calorie is the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 milliliter of water at 15 degrees Celsius by 1 degree. However, because the energy involved in metabolism is substantial, we often use the kilocalorie, or kcal, which is equivalent to 1,000 calories. Now, outside the United States, energy is often measured in joules. A joule represents the energy required to accelerate with a force of 1 Newton for a distance of 1 meter. For reference, 1 kcal is equivalent to 4.184 kilojoules. Understanding these units of measurement is crucial, as there are various methods available to measure human energy expenditure. Each method has its own advantages and limitations, and knowing these can help us apply these methods more effectively in both practical and research settings. But what are these methods? Stay tuned to find out. There are two main ways we can measure energy expenditure: direct calorimetry and indirect calorimetry. Let's start with direct calorimetry. This method involves monitoring the amount of heat produced by an individual. It requires specialized and expensive equipment, and the conditions are somewhat confined. Think of it like being in a room-type structure where every bead of sweat you produce is accounted for. However, this method doesn't provide any information on the type of fuel your body is burning for energy. Now let's move on to indirect calorimetry. This is the method you're more likely to encounter. It measures your oxygen consumption and carbon dioxide production over a given period. Picture yourself breathing into a mouthpiece, with every breath analyzed to determine energy expenditure. So, whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just curious about how your body uses energy, understanding energy expenditure and how it's measured can provide valuable insights into your health and fitness journey.